Hey guys, if you're seeing the error failed to start process for this game, an application control policy has blocked this file. When launching a game, don't worry, here's an easy fix. First, we're going to add the game as an exclusion in your antivirus. If you're using Windows Defender, press Windows plus I, go to Privacy and Security, then Windows Security, click Virus and Threat Protection, scroll down and select Manage Settings. Next, click Add or Remove Exclusions, then add an exclusion and choose folder. Navigate to your game folder, usually inside program files times 86, and select your game. After that, open Steam, right click the game, go to properties, installed files, verify integrity of game files. If the error still appears, go back to Windows Security, App and Browser Control, Reputation-based protection settings, and turn off potentially unwanted app blocking. Restart your PC and try the game again. Adding an exclusion usually fixes it, but turning off the PUA blocker can help if it doesn't. Let me know if this worked for you.